Hey guys, welcome to FoneLab Studio channel. Today I will talk about recovering deleted videos from South Dakota card or hard drive. If you lost precious videos on external drive, South Dakota card, pen drive and others, you can learn how to get them back easily in this video with ease. Firstly, you can try FoneLab Data Retriever. Both Windows and Mac are available, so you can choose the right version according to your needs. Download and install the software on computer, then run it. You need to connect the disk or drive, which have been used to backup computer data before, to the computer. Of course, you have the last solution to scan and recover lost file without data loss. FoneLab Data Retriever is a safe and effective tool to help you recover image, video, audio, files, etc. from Windows, Mac, pen drive, South Dakota card, and more. Choose video and external location from the list, and wait for the scanning. You are allowed to use filter and search feature to get what you want quickly.
Finally, tick the boxes and click Recover.
The other two solutions for Windows, including CMD Prompt and System Image. As you might know, Restore System Image will make you lose all data. Therefore, you can extract individual file from it without data loss as below. Click Windows search bar and type disk.msc in the box, then click to run it. You can see action, select Attach VHD under it. You can click Browse to choose the backup disk and click Open here. You should note that the box next to Read Only cannot be checked, otherwise the individual files will be unable to be extracted. Choose the disk you want, right-click to change drive letter and paths. After that, you are allowed to open the disk you want and extract data from. CMD Prompt is a useful solution to repair external drive on Windows. You can use it to get back data shortly. Type the first command line and then press Enter. Note that you should replace E with the exact drive letter of your memory card. The E is the example drive here. Finally, type the on-screen characters. This attrib command will recover everything that you deleted off from SD card. If you are a Mac user, you can consider to use Time Machine to access deleted video individually. Below is how to do. Make sure that you have connected the hard drive, which has the backup file, then access the Time Machine through System Preferences, Time Machine. You can choose the backup file which has the videos you want from the options. Finally, locate the video file you want to get back and click Recover. That's all. If you want to learn more about PhoneLab, please visit www.phonelab.com. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about PhoneLab, please visit